We're all dressed like old people from the future.
After taxes, no one who wants to be a millionaire was actually a millionaire.
The first sip of coffee is one of life's finest moments.
The TV remote is one of the last objects we use that doesn't use a touchscreen. Everything else has lost its physical buttons.
Burning fossil fuels will be how the dinosaurs killed us.
Being in a relationship is about solving and overcoming problems you wouldn't have if you were single.
Even the most successful and famous people in the world have tough poops sometimes.
Sims language sounds exactly like overhearing your neighbors yell in an apartment building.
Testicles are considered internal organs, yet they hang off bodies.
Withdrawals from a chemical is your body throwing a temper tantrum because you won't give it what it wants.
Most people view the past as real and the future as fantasy, but really the future is guaranteed to be real and the past is a fantasy we make up with our flawed memories.
The ring finger is the only finger that doesn't have its own gesture.
A raffle is the same game as bingo, but you only get one square.
Fridge has a D, but refrigerator does not.
Executing a program and killing it are completely opposite things.
Beatboxing is one of the few cases of a machine's job being taken by humans.
Yoda and Grover sound the same.
In every zombie movie, somehow every sharp object the people pick up is sharp enough to cut through a human skull.
We all actually live on some island.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. We put on clothing and makeup to be noticed, but we will be more noticeable if we take it off.
No human has ever touched the moon. Gloves and boots have, but never actual organic matter.
The most exclusive rank in most militaries is a general, and the most basic role is a private.
Whenever you speak to someone, the reply you get will be from someone in the future.
Cats are the animals that benefited the most from the rise of humans.
We're all sideways, it's just gravity that makes us feel we're upright.
Nearly all of the animals you've eaten have been shared with strangers.
When we are driving and decide not to let someone enter the lane, it's usually because we have judged them morally.
Two socks are a pair, but so are pants by themselves.
There is likely an overlap between the acceptable temperatures of chocolate milk and hot chocolate.
Superhero secret identities were only plausible before DNA sequencing.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
If you like this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh and groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.